But look how cool that is gonna look.
Obviously.
So, would you believe it? You're actually joining me in sunny England. It's not Spain, I wish it was, but absolutely glorious weather this week. So, today we have a insane collab with a company called DeadlyEngraves. So, basically, what she does is engraves things.
Obviously.
Currently, I've got some carbon fibre ones that are the 50th anniversary, and they're cool, but everyone's now going to that, so I want to be a bit different. And scrolling through TikTok at 2 AM, which we all know is bad. So this is DeadlyEngraves, engraves even.
You idiot! You're honestly an idiot.
So she does really cool designs. I don't know how well the camera picks up if I come this side a minute. So you can see does really cool designs. That's their QR code. And 10% off with code, where is it, Deadly10. So these is, obviously I have sent her badges. I got some original OEM BMW badges. This is how she's packaged it up. So again, you get really nice black tissue paper with the engraves on it. What? Holy crap, that's insane. That is actually so much better than I thought it would be. So much better than I thought it would be. So this is what we have gone for. So as you can see, it's the BMW badge with respect your elders on it. And if I catch it on the sun, luckily it's a lovely day. Look at that. That is absolutely stunning. Yeah, wicked.
That was wicked.
As the partners just said. Absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. But look how cool that is gonna look. What is this box? So I don't even know what this is. So this is a nice black box with the DeadlyEngraves chrome sticker on it. Lovely box actually. So let me bounce to stay here. I have no idea what this is. So, oh wow. So you got some cool stickers. Again, I am coming to you guys, but so you got some cool stickers. They're in the box. That's the QR code. Haribo, you can never go wrong with Haribo.
You fucking child.
Even an air freshener. That's a mirror. That's actually a mirror. Holy wow. Oh wow. That's incredible. I actually love that. Thank you so much. So that's the mirror with, trying not to blind myself, with respect your elders and some flames on the side. That QE, that is, I'm blinding myself. That is absolutely incredible. So without further ado, let's go whack this lot on the car. Thank you, DeadlyEngraves. Thank you so much. Right, so the second thing that we're going to be installing, I will show you the badges in a minute. They look absolutely insane. Again, thank you, DeadlyEngraves, for that one. So now we have the second part, which is no less a digital dash. And I've been looking for one of these for ages for an E46.
You idiot! You're honestly an idiot. I don't know what's wrong with you.
E46. I've been looking for so long, and driving my partner's car, my mum's car, and stuff all have digital dashes from factory, and love it. Absolutely love it. But the trouble is with the 46, because it's 2001, no one doesn't. But now they do. So thank you to DH Styling for this. I have had a quick sneaky peek because I'm a giant child.
What are you into? Transformers? Pokemon, you fucking child?
So what you get is the surround, which obviously you have your two screws up there. So when you're looking at your cluster, you have two screws at the top. This will clip in afterwards. You have a proper wiring harness and a USB in case you need to update or do any things like that. You have a plug and play wiring harness which has the BMW plugs that we all know and love. This is the actual dash and it looks absolutely insane. So once you've got this on, I can remember how that goes, like that. So that will roughly sit like that. And I think that's going to look absolutely insane. The only thing I think, I will double check and I'll put links below, but I think the only thing we need to do is take this back off, and then you take your PCB board out of your original cluster, put it in here, and away you go. So you shouldn't have to be any coding or anything like that. It should keep the information and history from the dash that's already in the car, mileage, so on, and it should just make a digital version on here. So I'm not just talking anymore. I want to go install this because I'm so excited to see how this actually is. So I'll see you guys in the car. Right, so to put the new motherboard in, you've got to take out these little screws, all these tiny Phillips screws, split the old cluster, which is really easy, but you need to basically get the motherboard out because you need that one and that one. And then you basically put it all back together. The USB cable, I had to take it apart because the USB cable that I originally put in here actually goes in the motherboard, in the actual back of this screen. So now it has been apart a couple of times. Not sure what that one's for. Now, light up. Ready? No! He says.
One eternity later.
So that scare then was totally my fault. So I've had to take this apart again, and the wiring harness is actually, again, this is not in their videos, so I'm making a point of it. The part of the wiring harness actually goes, I'm trying to see if I can show you, no. It actually goes in about here on the actual motherboard behind the screen. So that's why the screen wasn't working, because essentially it was getting no power. So if we jump in again, I will also warn you, it is a very tight squeeze to get it all in here.
What did he say?
Yeah. And there you go, you can hear it doing its thing again. Car in, key in. There we go, she's come up now, look. BMW. Yeah, that's it. That's really cool. Yeah, there we go, look, all my fuel gauge is right and everything. Turn it on. And there we go, look, showing me idle, and it's showing that I've got my handbrake on, which is there. And it's also here, I think, as well. Yeah, so it comes up there and on there, which is really sick. Indicators you can see there and up there. And there and there. That's really sick. Right, so it is now a few days later, and basically, well, it's the next day, it's not a few days later, it's the next day. The screen is now working. Again, I can't remember how much I've said, but basically it wasn't working because you've got the wiring harness you saw, the little spare thing I said that does, I don't know what fits, it actually goes into the back of the actual screen. So when you take it apart to put your original motherboard in, you've got to look on the back of the screen and you'll see all of them, but make sure you do look because it is easily missed. I missed it a few times. But now when you start it, I've had a little bit of a play around because my DJI died. So when I start it now, it does BMW and then comes up. And to the observant eye, it shows that it's a 5 Series diesel, which is obviously not an E46. I can't even get me a car right. But to clear that, you just do that, and I've now done it so it says M. The cool thing that I like as well is, if I take this off a second, the cool thing I like is it shows you your coolant and oil temperature there. It is really cool, to be fair. I'm trying to look through my steering wheel so you guys can get a good angle. So it basically, you can see all of that lot. It is all fully adjustable. So you can flick through. So it says your miles, total mileage, park, obviously. This does your steering as well. Let me just start the car. A sec. So now I've started the car. It will be a bit loud because I've not started it for a while. But you can see the revs are obviously shot up. Your steering, it shows you your steering angle, which is really cool. And that has actually helped me a lot because I thought my steering angle sensor under here are deaded, but it's not, which is really, really cool. That's your battery voltage. Obviously just information about refueling and stuff, and obviously then back to coolant temp, battery and everything else. So the way you go through it is on the end of here you'll see the little stalk, so you press and hold that, and then you can come up with your settings. So like you can do your trip computer and all sorts, to be honest. So then you can go into my car, ID6, which then does it. So I'll just do a couple for you. So you can do that, so it looks like that. Although I have noticed with this one, the RPM gauge is slightly, there's a slight delay, not much at all. All of this lot is all adjustable. So it maxes out 160 mile an hour. You can change that to 250, 300 if you've got, you know, want to be a Veyron. So go back into there. Again, the ID7s, you've got all of these like really cool, like Lamborghini-esque styles. Back ID8 is again very similar to the new BMW styles. Me personally, I prefer the ID7, which is the one I just had, which is that one. That's the one I prefer. The ID7 and Style 1 is the one I prefer. And then you go to vehicle settings. So then you can change, like, I'm not going to do it yet, but you can change the colour of your vehicle, which I'll show you in a minute. Driving mode is auto, so that will change it obviously automatically, but you can change it to sport, comfort and whatever else. All that does is change everything to red and everything else. So if you've seen like a Golf GTI or a Lamborghini where everything goes red and stuff like that, that's basically what it does. So what I need to do, go into the settings. I have also set all the time and date and stuff like that. Units, we've done all of that. Yeah, so you can change it to miles, degrees Fahrenheit, PSI, all that kind of thing. What I need to do is go into factory settings, go from 1, and then it's 1, I think it's 6. Oh, I've gone past it. I think it's 169, because I remember making a 69 joke. So then you just press OK. Yeah, there you go, look. So you can do the front door swap left and right, so you want to change all that. Coolant gauge, HUD switch, clock, outside temperature. And then there's the respect your elders mirror on there, which looks absolutely insane. That is what I've gone for on my dash. Now I've had a bit of a play about, and I absolutely love this. So sick. And if I get out, you'll see it makes such a nice difference, but like a good difference to the car. Just makes like a nice subtle difference. And then if I go down to here, you can see there's the badge on the front. And if I come around to the rear, you can see it as well on the rear, and I just think that looks so damn good. But yeah, let me know in the comments, guys, below what you think about this, but I think it's starting to look really, really smart. Really, really smart. So let me know, turn it around. Let me know in the comments, guys, what you think of this, whether you like it, don't like it, whether I should put the OEM cluster back in. If you do, no. I really like this, and it's just like I love things that are customizable and that you can change it, and this is definitely it. So let me know what you guys think of the badges as well, and yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.